This is it.
My name is Angela Kim, the director of the Teastykoria and then the cooking class.
Hi, my name is Ji-young Choi. I'm owner of the restaurant and I'll be the chef/teacher of the day. Thank you for being here.
And my name is Jason Kim. I'm a food blogger at mykoreaneats.com and I also work as like a guest chef here when they have these wonderful events. And thanks for coming today.
Okay.
And they have like all the food ingredients and fresh market, meat market, and small like one shop. Yeah.
It's really fresh. 참기름. This is a sesame oil.
Mustard, fruit, and super spicy.
That is the must-eat item.
Everything here. They have tofu, ham, glass noodles.
Yeah, right.
So the kit is full of everything you need,
레시피도 포함이 돼 있고요.
including the recipe.
예전에 이분 무대에 나왔던 제품들을 거의 사용해서 만든 절반 안 됐습니다. 절반. 예?
Tofu, yeah, you can cut it any way. He likes to cut it larger. Essential ingredient. So yeah, just ground pork, just grind it into little balls.
It's gonna be cut out.
I think it's prettier than it
Don't make it.
이게 앉아서 이렇게.
화사세요 그러면?
아니,
안 시키면. Can you open it? Enjoy it.
Yeah, this would be much
그래요?
milder.
월급은 완전히 다르다.
다르죠? 똑같을 거예요. It's my first time to try it and my first time to cook in months. So I'm glad all my fingers are still here.
Time and the food and the interaction between each other. I think that's the power of the food and the making something stuffing for eating. I think so.
Please
Awesome.
hit me up if you guys have any questions about that.
Okay.